YouTube. So today, going to my sister's graduation. I'm not working on the G today. I'm gonna let the mechanic do it, so you probably won't get no footage of them working on the car, but I'm gonna take y'all on a vlog with me, show y'all, you know, the normal shit that I got going on other than working on cars. But check your boy out though. We got the, you know what I'm saying, hold on. Oh, camera, hold on. But let me show y'all the G, because they're working on it right now. What's up, bro? Get to work.
He said, what's up, bro? Get to work. Come on, hurry up.
Get to work.
Let's go.
You told me it was going to be done yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday.
I didn't say that's what your heart was hoping for.
You're lying. Let's go, bro.
Now my mom don't want to give me my truck back.
Yo, it's 1 o'clock, bro. You told me it's going to be out by 2.
Want to give you my truck back.
She said, it just, when it's done, I'll give you your car back.
Take the Infiniti after I throw that shit either.
Yeah, so mom just don't want to let me take the truck. Yeah, she been driving this joint for the past 6, 8, 9, 10 days. Sorry, though. Oh, and I bought some brakes for the Durango too, cause these joints are screaming. Damn. Good chat. Y'all see that chat? Damn. Hi, mama. Can I have some? Why you didn't make me one?
Should I tuck this or keep it out?
Why does it look fine like that? Pay attention.
Her mom coming? Her mom coming?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Lee, you coming?
Come on.
Yeah? Get a little quick rest stop. You know, my fat ass like this to eat real quick. Huh?
Check it out. Last look at that. I mean, I'm
For that tire?
Yeah.
It's just rubber. It came off. Right there. $25 and a few things. It's crazy, Chad. This wrist stop fire. We want to get
8 piece for $20 is crazy.
8 piece for $20.
I know.
Let's eat later then. We just eat cathedral or something.
Family, something?
No, we eat cathedral or something. Still in the middle of nowhere. I see what I'm doing. Yes, sir, ski. Should I go ask him now? Sure, I'll wait. I'll go to big events. Shit is getting hectic. Time to eat though. Chat, I'm graduating. Yeah. Yeah. Why was this fucking $6? What the fuck is this, bro?
Class of Reach Cyber Charter School, Anna Gunanashvili.
6.5 hours later.
Finally getting the fuck out of here. I'm in this joint falling asleep and all that. So do we leave from here? Out of there. Feels better out here than it does in there. Well, damn. Look at this chat. Back with another video. As y'all can see from the title, I am buying a new car because I sold all my cars. Let me show y'all what I brought. I sold all my cars. Oh, hope you don't bust my ass. Come on, dickhead. Let me yours, stupid. We riding. I sold all my SRTs and Infinities for this. I ain't gonna lie, this shit hard as shit to ride with. But yeah, I'm buying a new V today. As you can see from the thumbnail, my homie on his way to drop the car off. So y'all probably see in like another 30 more minutes. This one different though, but I might not keep this car. So if you're interested, I want to buy it, let me know. She's stick shift too, so if y'all want a stick shift, let me know. So it's a rare joint too. That's hard as hell around here.
A few moments later.
Yo, this joint ain't got no gas in it.
There's some fucking gas in it, boo.
Nigga, I ain't got I left my bread at home.
Yo, y'all hear this, man, yo? Alright. You got Apple Pay, right?
Yes, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna send you some money, bro.
Alright, we'll go put gas.
Alright, how the car feel?
It's so good.
Alright, say no more.
Same shit.
Alright, say no more. I'm about to send you some bread.
Power steering.
Hell freaking hoagie. Alright.
Alright.
Well, we wait for my new V. Got a little update on this hoagie G. What?
Joint just locked up on me.
You bust your ass?
Yeah.
I'm already knowing.
Shit just locked up on me. I said, damn. Let me see what Bug got, bro.
Let's see. Oh, he's from.
They everywhere. People will probably trade.
What the fuck?
Clutch N.
Bro, why you playing with me, bro?
This
Shit, bro, this joint too far from me, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Nigga, I gotta lean forward.
So I'm taller than you.
No.
If I could drive it, I'm taller than you then.
Never.
Check it. He ass.
This shit hoagie, twin.
Corny.
What the fuck? Yo, twin, this shit hoagie.
You can't drive.
I'm finna start right at the light. They be like, what the
Put it in
fuck?
neutral then.
No, I'm gonna turn early.
Imagine. Look, yeah, we gonna turn early, alright? We gonna dead stop in the middle of the turn.
Yo, this nigga, I'm leaning forward to drive this bitch.
Stop at the gas station. I'll drive for the vlog. Let me hold the can.
Yeah, hold the can, bro.
Let me see.
She better get the fuck out of the way. Yo, this joint. Yo, what's up, cousin, bro?
You just
Someone
can't
bend this bitch
drive.
right now.
Don't bend it. I never
Someone
seen him
bend
bend
this
it. I
bitch.
wouldn't even trust it. You don't gonna bend it. Oh shit, what's going on? Day in the life of Philly, huh?
Yeah, bro. See, I see why you moved out the city.
Oh my god!
Why I feel like that,
Bro,
bro?
cause you didn't push the clutch all the way down.
Ew, what
You
the fuck?
why better than you?
Ew, brother, ew.
You that's
What
right.
is your food?
Seen like 5 dirt bike cops flying past this joint earlier.
Up and down.
Oh my god, look at Bull.
Oh, you be mobbing.
Nigga yakking in the
Yeah, driving
fin
the car
fin.
like this, it just made me want to go fast as fuck.
Even though it ain't fast.
Hurry up, bro. I see me, I'm in a drift car right now.
The fuck out of here. This shit needs dip cushions.
Bro, this shit really different from a cat. I ain't gonna lie.
He ass, he probably stalled. Look, up a hill. This runs.
Oh, I ain't going up that way.
Look, he's scared. Look, damn.
You high as shit.
He need a good, he need somebody behind the wheel.
Damn, bro, feel this bitch.
You corny, bro. You on shit. L driver, he corny, yo.
Make it out the way, bro.
Yeah.
Real driver.
He gonna hit somebody. Oh, there go the cops right there. This nigga can't drive.
Yeah. Should I fuck with him?
No, nigga, this shit not even your plate.
Well, it's not the June plate.
Holy shit.
This June plate?
Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, you can't drive this joint, yo. L manual driver. Oh shit, look at all the cops right there. Oh, they taking bikes. Yeah.
Their bikes?
Yeah. They got a trailer out there.
They want this joint, they gonna get it.
We ain't getting away with how you driving.
Come on, bro.
Shit, we
playing.
caught.
You playing with me, bro.
We caught right away. We caught right away.
Bro, we cool, bro.
She don't got race lights though. Look at that.
See it, look, you got the sunroof open.
Man, so I ain't, yeah, cause they ain't got no AC.
Oh shit!
Oh, he yakking.
You see? You just missed it.
Damn. I heard it. You don't know. You gotta drive this on. Smack gears. Damn. Chris on the can. Oh wait. G35. 6MT. Bag. Admin tune. Need some love. Was Junebug car. He neglected it like always. A little damage.
Got another one, so fuck it, I don't care to swap it. Illegal 10, yeah, I don't care about these bitches stalking. I know it's hard not to be nosy about this shit I got it. Yeah, I just got a brand new Cartier, and she don't rock it. And where I come from, this ain't no status that you receive.
I think, chat, she a hoagie or she's a good buy. I'm not gonna tell you how much I got it for, but it was a great price that I wasn't trying to turn down. Y'all see it, manual. Yeah. Sunroof, free flights. All black interior. Got some minor dent on the quarter panel. Somebody could probably pull this out, do slight body work, and then it should be a good car. You could daily it or drift it. So if y'all interested, let me know. She my car for right now. Well, she my car right now, but one of y'all want to buy it, I'll sell it to one of y'all. But here she is, new daily. I bought another daily for another daily for another daily. Y'all know how that go. Got Tommy on it. What's this, Tommy?
Yeah. And it got art.
Big ass fart can on there.
Art
Clear tails, but this all done though. Try to bring it in, come on. That's not carbon?
No.
My junk got carbon. That's cool though.
Going faster though.
And Chris drive. He think he manual guy, so we finna see. The seatbelt working this joint? Fuck no. Hey, this is a real drift car, bro. I should have brought a neck brace. Look, no fucking power steering.
I ain't making it. L car. Nigga out of pocket. This shit's so ass.
Damn! There you go.
Damn.
Oh my god. Yeah, this bitch is faster than the cat, ew.
Where we going?
Let's just go straight and make it look. Yeah, wait. WQ versus Mopar. I'm leaving Mopar, y'all. I bang it left right there. Jeez. Bang another left. And then we're gonna go straight. I see you bend this corner.
Ready?
Brakes on the dom though. I can't lie, the brakes is on the dom.
Yeah,
These just for more.
The front.
These just for way more. The brakes were more stickier than my Durango. Yo, this shit's crazy.
Though. I never seen this joint do a burnout though, bro. Ever.
He never did a burnout?
No.
He did it in the snow. Yeah. Yo, good looks for the V, June. I'm finna torch this holy. Yo, run the windows up, bro. Yeah, shout out to my man June for selling me this piece of junker. That's cool though. Should look alright. I'm gonna probably end up, if I end up keeping it longer, I'm gonna rewrap it, give it GTR lights, fix the quarter panel, depending on how I feel, get some Nismos, the other ones, but which I think, chat, was this a W bar or L bar? But I'll catch you on the next one.
You don't rock it, and where I come from, this ain't no status that you receive. I got VVS diamonds, yeah, they sitting right on my teeth.